Welcome to this tutorial on how to set up free shipping on Shopify. Offering free shipping can be a great way to increase sales and customer satisfaction. And Shopify makes it easy to implement. First, you need to log in to your Shopify admin panel and navigate to the shipping settings. To do this, click on Settings and then Shipping. In the shipping settings, you will see a section called Shipping Rates. This is where you can set up your free shipping option. To add a new shipping rate, click on Add Rate and select Free Shipping. Next, you need to set up the conditions for when the free shipping option is available. You can do this by setting a minimum order amount or a specific location. For example, you can offer free shipping on orders over $50 or on orders within a specific country. To set up a minimum order amount, select the minimum order amount option and enter the amount. You can also select the countries or regions where the free shipping option is available. Once you have set up the conditions, you need to save the changes. To do this, click on Save Rate and the free shipping option will be available to your customers. It is also important to communicate the free shipping option to your customers. You can do this by adding a message to your website or by sending out emails to your subscribers. In addition to setting up free shipping, you should also consider setting up a shipping policy that outlines the details of your shipping options. This includes the estimated delivery time, the shipping carriers you use, and any additional shipping costs. By following these steps, you can easily set up free shipping on your Shopify store and start increasing sales and customer satisfaction. Remember to review and update your shipping settings regularly to ensure they are accurate and effective.